You want to make a video like this? This is how I made it. Hello guys, welcome to the Chad Time project. This time I will make a Dolly zoom effect video. The first step, take your video by zoom in and zoom out. And I use the Capcut application to edit videos. Okay, let's do it. Open Capcut and then insert the video you have recorded. Adjust the video to the ratio you want. I use a 16:9 aspect ratio. Drag the screen and adjust it. To create a Dolly zoom effect, it's very easy. For Dolly zoom in effect, add a keyframe at the beginning of the video. And then also add it at the end of the video. Click on the initial keyframe, and then pan the video screen and zoom in. And you have created a Dolly zoom in effect. For the Dolly zoom out effect, do the same thing for the video zoom out. Add keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Drag the screen and zoom in on the final video keyframe. And you have a video with Dolly zoom in and zoom out effects. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.